Hello friends, Gambell, California quail breed from the Mar farm inventory is with you.
Let's talk a little bit about this magnificently beautiful Gambell California quail, which people who love poultry are amazed to see. Note, what you see in the video are photos of Gambell quails. Gambell quails are very beautiful birds in appearance. Discovered in America, this species is a wild species, but it can easily adapt to a cage environment and live in a cage. The egg period of Gambell quails, which start breeding at the age of 1, starts in April and lays 40 to 60 eggs in a year. The feathers on their heads and their magnificent color combinations suit them very well. It is the law of nature that males are more ostentatious than females. Although it is not a breed that is kept for meat and egg production, it is suitable for production. Since the number of eggs is already low, everyone generally prefers to sell live, but we, as Mar Farm, of course, take care of this business and we produce the hatching eggs of these magnificent and rare Gambell quails for you and deliver them to your home. If you want to get hatching eggs of these magnificent and rare Gambell quails, you can contact us from the contact information in the description. Mar Farm Global Farm.